we are back with another episode of TMA, and this time we've got 24 hours to explore the beautiful place of Amsterdam in Netherlands. It is cold and it's raining, but we're gonna make the most out of it. But the first stop, as always, is coffee. So let's crack on with the day. So starting the day right with Back to Black, a nice little flat white over here. You know it is an amazing little cafe when it's popping at 9 a.m. on a Monday morning, all right? The reason I chose this space is alleged that a lot of baristas come here on their day off, so you know the coffee is gonna be popping.
Adam Tower, 20th floor, panoramic views, you know what to expect. It's winter time, you got the place to yourself. And if you are feeling a bit cold, downstairs they got a nice bar, they got hot chocolate outside for you to enjoy. For 14 quid, for 14 euros, it's not bad. And yeah, in the summer, there's parties and there's a lot more to do. So, check it out.
Okay, stroop waffles. You'll see this all across Amsterdam and the Netherlands, and we just came across this particular store, Van Wonderen stroop waffles, okay? So typically when you see it in every shop, you'll charge no more than about 2 euros or so. However, this is about 10 euros, and this is the small one. Mo actually got one for 13 euros. Just a quick taste of it. You see, I've tasted stroop waffles in the past, right? Just because they've got a topping on the top, right? I've got one with a Kit Kat, and he's got one with speculoos on it as well. They charge an extra however much it is. So this will be your first for TMA. I recommend not to come here. You can get it anywhere else in street markets, etc. But this is basically a tourist trap in essence. It's nice to look at, Instagram worthy, but not worth 24 euros for a combined stroop waffles. But there you go, TMA facts of the day.
The weather's picking up, starting to rain, starting to get very windy. You need an inside motive. Rijksmuseum showcasing Van Gogh's, Rembrandt's work, obviously very famous Dutch artist. Tickets are about 26 euros. Let's get out of this weather because this is ridiculous. Let's go.
This is a banging way to serve a curry. All my cousins back in the 1800s. So one of the things that you can do if the weather isn't so great here in Amsterdam is the Anne Frank house, all right? So it actually showcases the annex in which Anne Frank and her family hid from the Nazis in the World War II. It is a very, very sad history, especially in a happy place like Amsterdam, but if you want to brush up on your history, that is something you can do. So that line you see behind me is for a shop that serves a single product, cookies, all right? So Van Stapele, it is the place to be if you want to fulfill your chocolatey desires. Only one thing, a dark chocolate outing with a white chocolate filling. This, my friends, is how it looks like. All right, let's give this a go. Worth every damn penny. We've got 6 of these for £12.50. I think by the end of next 20 minutes we'll probably rinse them out. But come check this place out. This is a must-see. Wait, it's not too long, about 15-20 minutes, but I guarantee you'll thank me later. Vondelpark, all right, sun's finally decided to come out, cookies in hand. This is a wide-acred place that you can come through. Just beware of the cyclists. They've got a mind of their own, but priority comes to them. Amsterdam really takes care of these guys, so make sure you're looking both ways before you cross, but a beautiful place to come here and spend sunset, because now it's coming up to 4:30. It'll be freshening up and time for dinner. Let's go.
It's dinner time and we wanted a proper Dutch cuisine experience. And here at Wilde Zwijnen, that's the name of the restaurant, which stands for Wild Pig, we're getting just that. So, Dutch cuisine consists of 5 different things: quality, culture, value, nature, and health. Now, normally most cuisines, they just give you food and that's that. But with Dutch experience, Dutch cuisine, they give you meat, veg, bread, cheese, and fish sometimes as well. So here we've got like a different variety of different foods. So we've got 3 courses, one being meat, one being fish, and one being veg. And one awesome thing about it is the menu changes all the time, so it surprises us just as much as it is going to surprise you. So we're here to try the food. We've had one course, we're waiting for the next two, so let's enjoy the food, and that's that.
So I've had a recent found love for Speak Easy bars, and this is probably one of the best in Amsterdam, Door 74. Ironically, we found it extremely difficult to find, but there you go, that is what a Speak Easy bar is. On the outside, a very simple residential looking door, but inside a very, very kind of classy, quaint, simple kind of vibe. A menu no more than 6 pages, so you know they specialize in their drinks. A variety of a mix of alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks. And for the ever-loving Mo who loves alcohol, non-alcohol, a nice little cup of tea, similar to how we started today. And this is how we're finishing our night, and that will be the end of this video. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and smash the notification bell, and comment down below on what is the next destination you want us to visit, and we will make it happen. As always, Green Man Aboard out, and peace.